Imagine you're scrolling through your phone, mindlessly swiping through social media. Suddenly, a full-screen ad pops up, interrupting your feed. Annoying, right? Now, imagine you're using a budgeting app to track your spending. Wouldn't it be frustrating to have ads popping up while you're trying to stay on top of your finances? Today, we're going to answer the question, does PocketGuard have ads? Let's dive in. The short answer, no. PocketGuard is a popular budgeting app that prides itself on being ad-free. That's right, you won't encounter any pesky ads while using the app. This means you can focus on managing your finances without distractions. Why is PocketGuard ad-free? There are a few reasons why PocketGuard has chosen to operate without ads. User experience. Ads can be disruptive and can detract from the overall user experience. By keeping the app ad-free, PocketGuard ensures that users can navigate the app seamlessly and without interruptions. Privacy. Ads often involve collecting user data, which can raise privacy concerns. PocketGuard takes user privacy seriously and avoids collecting unnecessary data by eliminating ads. Focus on core features. PocketGuard wants to focus on providing a robust and effective budgeting tool. By avoiding ads, they can allocate more resources to improving the app's core features and functionality. How does PocketGuard make money? If PocketGuard doesn't have ads, how does it make money? Well, the answer lies in its premium subscription plan. PocketGuard offers a free version of the app with basic features. However, for users who want to unlock additional features and benefits, they can upgrade to a premium subscription. This subscription provides access to features such as advanced budgeting tools, track multiple budgets, set custom categories, and analyze your spending in more detail. Bill tracking, keep track of your upcoming bills and payments. Investment tracking, monitor your investments and track your net worth. Debt management, create a debt repayment plan and track your progress. By offering a premium subscription, PocketGuard can generate revenue without relying on ads. This approach ensures that users have a positive experience and can access the features they need to effectively manage their finances. Is PocketGuard worth it? Whether or not PocketGuard is worth it depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a simple and effective budgeting app that doesn't have ads, PocketGuard is a great option. The free version of PocketGuard offers many useful features, and the premium subscription provides additional benefits for those who need them. Ultimately, the decision of whether to upgrade to a premium subscription depends on your personal budget and the features that are most important to you. So, to answer the question, does PocketGuard have ads? The answer is no. PocketGuard is a popular budgeting app that prides itself on being ad-free. This means you can use the app without distractions and with peace of mind knowing that your privacy is protected. If you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly budgeting tool, PocketGuard is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.